Drawing Battle Kracken from Nanovore. What better way than to draw a Nanovore than one with tentacles? That's what the Nanovore playlist is. Alexa, what is Nanovore?
Manowar is an American heavy metal band from Auburn, New York. Formed in 1980, the group is known for lyrics based on fantasy and mythology, as well as numerous songs celebrating the genre and its core audience.
Battle Krakken's based on an actual Kraken. Don't even know why I drew that, but you get the idea. Alexa, what is Nanovore?
As a noun, maneuver is usually defined as a planned and regulated movement or evolution of troops, warships, etc. As a verb, maneuver is usually defined as to change the position of troops, ships, etc. by a maneuver.
There we are.
For more, ask me to give you more definitions for maneuver.
Alexa, what is the game Nanovore?
This might answer your question. Man of War is a now out-of-print tabletop war game by Games Workshop. The game was set in the same realm of Warhammer Fantasy as used for the Warhammer Fantasy Battle and included most of the factions from that setting.
Alexa, what is Nanovore?
Nunavut is the largest and northernmost territory.
Great. I hate it when this happens. Sometimes I say the words shit out loud when this sort of thing happens, but I don't really say that much. Battle Kraken is one of the toughest and strongest fighters in the Nanovore game, making him an unstoppable fighting machine. I consider him to be a must-have because it comes in different colors. Alexa? Sorry about that. He was at it again. I don't really know how many Nanovore are in here. One sec.
.com. Nanovore is a collectible battling monster game that features nanoscopic monsters and lots of green goo.
Alright, there he is, folks. That's Nanovore Battle Kraken.